Just fresh out the oven. No flop. So I'm over here at Four Sons, what is it, 51st Avenue, right off the 101, with a quick pizza review. They actually got a oven in there, and they make these pizzas 2 for 1 on Wednesdays, Hump Day. We'll give it a go. Man, tell you what, fresh off the oven, this is really good. The reason I say that is because I've had like the old pizza, and it's good, but it's not as good as this. They even get fancy with the crust. Can't see it though. They twist it up a little bit, make it look gourmet. And best of all, it's free. I've known the manager here for a long time. She always hooks it up. Hey, what do you think of the pizza here?
Pretty good. You like it?
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, if you're in the neighborhood, 51st Avenue and the 101, stop at the Four Sons, get you some of this pizza. 2 for 1 on Wednesdays. Hump Day. It's your Hump Day special. Tell them the Red Bull guy sent you. Yeah, definitely 2 thumbs up. Oh, let me straighten out my thumbs. Somebody was talking smack about my thumbs being, I guess they are overly. Well, yeah, 2 thumbs up.